Welcome to National University's Career Services Safety in Your Job Search, Avoiding Job Scams workshop. In this presentation, we'll discuss how job scams work, common job scams, identifying job scams, how to avoid a scam, and what to do if you paid a scammer. A recent Better Business Bureau investigation reveals a 250% increase in job scam reports during the first 3 months of 2023 compared to the same period last year. The BBB's Scam Tracker discovered the following alarming trends. Losses totaling $840,000 in the first quarter of 2023, which surpassed the total for the first 9 months of 2022. Job seekers experienced a median loss of over $1,500, while some individuals lost tens of thousands of dollars. And job fraud is the predominant scam type among individuals aged 18 to 34. Scammers find you on social media and job search sites. Like most scams, scammers aim to steal your money or your personal and financial information. This is made easier because legitimate employers regularly require access to both types of information, leading us to lower our guards. Scammers will contact you by phone, text, email, messaging apps, job websites, and social media. They set up a job interview over email, phone, or voice chat to create the illusion of a legitimate job opportunity. This can include posing serious interview questions and leading the target to believe that the job is genuine. Then they'll request your social security number or bank account details for a background check or to set up direct deposit. In some cases, scammers take a more gradual approach, ending the interview and later offering the job. It may include an official-looking acceptance letter and an enticing salary on official-looking letterhead. So let's talk about the most common types of job scams you may encounter in your job search. Reshipping scams. These scams are advertised as quality control managers, merchandising managers, logistics managers, or package processing assistants. The job involves receiving, repackaging, and reshipping high-priced goods often bought with stolen credit cards. Just know that no real job involves reshipping goods. Promised paychecks often never arrive. Attempts to contact the company result in disconnected phone numbers and deactivated websites. And personal information provided for payroll may lead to identity theft. And worst case scenario, workers unknowingly become money mules, potentially facing legal consequences. Reselling merchandise scams are unsolicited offers or enticing ads claiming profit from buying and reselling luxury products. After you pay for the products, either no package arrives or it's usually just junk. Personal assistant scams are fake jobs or emails mimicking local connections like colleges or university affiliations. This is where you want to steer clear. Victims receive a fake check. They're instructed to deposit it, keep a portion, and send the rest elsewhere. The checks bounce, leaving victims to repay the full amount while scammers keep the real money. Legitimate employers never involve employees in financial transactions. Car wrapping scams are when victims receive a check, deposit it, and are asked to send money for the car wrap advertisements. Scammers pull the check shortly after, leaving victims without payment. Some scammers promise extra funds on the check or regular paychecks as long as the car remains wrapped with their advertisement. Mystery shopper scams. These are important because genuine mystery shopping jobs do exist, but many advertised opportunities are scams. Legitimate companies don't charge for certifications or job guarantees. Paying for a job is a red flag. Depositing a check and sending money indicates a fake check scam. Government and postal jobs scams. Some firms deceive with false job openings, charging upfront fees for services. Legitimate placement firms are paid by hiring companies, not candidates. Genuine government jobs are posted publicly and for free. Use USA.gov for federal jobs. So, how do you identify a job scam? Watch out for these red flags. Jobs requiring you to pay money. Legitimate employers never request upfront payments for jobs. Watch out for these requests to pay for supplies, applications, or training because these are red flags and potential scams. Remote jobs involving checks. Be cautious of any remote job that involves any sort of check. Cold calls about employment. If you didn't apply, it's most likely a red flag. High pay, low effort. Exercise caution with offers promising exceptionally high pay for simple tasks like reshipping or envelope stuffing. These offers may be attempts to steal personal information through fake job applications. These, of course, are those too good to be true schemes. Email only or message only interviews. Genuine companies typically conduct interviews before hiring. Be suspicious of job offers without interviews or those conducted solely by email or messaging. Fake URLs, company names, photos, or imposters from well-known companies. Check for fake URLs, company names, and photos. Be cautious of imposters claiming association with well-known companies. And watch for scam job offers. Stay alert to potential scams related to mystery shopping, reshipping, check cashing, or car wrap job offers. When searching for a job online, expect to encounter job scams. They are widespread and they come in so many different forms. Each one of these by itself is a signal that you need to do more research. The more signs, the more likely it's a scam. The bottom line is this: trust your instincts. So let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so here's an example of a reshipping job scam. We came across your impressive profile. Really? Where? This is an unsolicited job offer. And as we move down, we see we are a well-established international shipping company. So if your company is so well established, why don't you provide the company name? It's just vague information here. Job responsibilities that involve shipping and reshipping packages, which is a common job scam. And then it says, to apply, provide confirmation of your ability to receive packages. This is an unusual request for personal information. And then it says, we will schedule a quick interview via email or chat. There's a lack of a proper interview process here. Here's a reselling scam. Your profile stood out to us. Again, here's an unsolicited job offer. Then it goes down and says, make significant profits from the comfort of your home. This is high profits with minimal effort. Then it goes down to say how it works. Purchase products upfront at exclusive member prices and resell at retail prices. This is an emphasis on buying products upfront, which is a common element in merchandise reselling scams. To get started, we need your full name, mailing address, and preferred payment type. This is a request for personal and financial information upfront. Request for direct deposit typically comes later in a more formal process for a legitimate job. What company is this? It doesn't even mention who they are. Lack of detailed information about the company should be a big red flag for you. This is a car wrapping scam. It says, your profile has caught our attention. Where did they find your profile? Again, this is an unsolicited job offer, which most of them are. Earn up to $500 weekly for driving with our advertisements on your car. This again is a promise of high earnings for minimal effort. Then where it says how it works, we'll send you a check. You deposit the check, deduct your first week's earnings, and use the remaining amount to pay our accredited car wrapping service provider. This is a requirement to deposit a check and use the funds for a car wrapping service. This is much like the personal assistance scam. Then it has a request for personal information, your name, your address, your phone number, vehicle make and model, and your driver's license. This provides a perfect opportunity to steal your identity. And nowhere does it mention the name of the company. Again, there is a lack of detailed information about the company or the car wrapping service provider, common in car wrapping job scams. Here's a mystery shopping scam. It says, your attention to detail and excellent observational skills have not gone unnoticed. Really? Where did you learn this from? This is again another unsolicited job offer. Earn up to $300 per assignment plus reimbursement. Again, this is a promise of high earnings for mystery shopping assignments. Then it says, to get started, please provide your name, address, phone number, payment method, whether that be PayPal, check, or direct deposit. Well, requests for personal and financial information are also big clues, especially if it's upfront. Requests for direct deposits typically come later in a more formal process for a legitimate job. And nowhere, again, in the offer does the name of the company come up. Okay, just one more, a federal job scam. Okay, it says, we've identified you as a qualified candidate for an immediate federal job opening. This is an unsolicited job offer, once again. It doesn't mention where they found your information, and it also has a sense of urgency, which is also another red flag. It says, provide your full name, social security number, and current address, and pay a non-refundable processing fee of $100 to expedite your application. These requests for sensitive personal information and a processing fee should be huge red flags for you. It also has a lack of a clear and standard application procedure. This is not common in government jobs because government job announcements are very specific. If you didn't go to usajobs.gov or the department's official website, it's most likely not legit. And then it says here, don't miss this exclusive opportunity to serve your nation and secure a prestigious federal position with the Department of Homeland Security. Again, there's that sense of urgency and pressure to act quickly. Other things you may want to look for are generic or unverifiable contact details and an official sounding but potentially fake name. Of course, this is just an example. Anyone in security would know that this is a scam. Now that we've identified some sample job scams, we can avoid them by just being aware of them. Job scams are common when searching for job opportunities online. Scams can take various forms, so caution is crucial. Protect your personal information. Don't give out identifying or financial information. Watch out for overpayment scams Don't fall for jobs that seem to be too good to be true, and make sure to verify that it's a real job opportunity by researching the company. Use bbb.org to check the legitimacy of companies offering jobs. Confirm the phone number. Find a contact number on the business's official website if they have a website. If they don't, that could be a red flag. And then call to verify the job or the offer's authenticity. Check the email's address or the email address. Confirm that the email address is associated with the company. Be wary of personal email addresses like Gmail or Yahoo. Conduct an online company verification. Basically, open up a new browser, search for the company name and or the job title along with the word scam and see what comes up. And verify that it is a well-known company. Open a new browser once again, search for the company name and the word careers. Check that the URL matches. Locate the real careers page and compare it with the provided job details. Remember, stay vigilant and take proactive steps to verify job offers, ensuring that your online job search is secure and scam-free. So what should you do if you paid a scammer? First of all, you should contact the payment provider, regardless of the payment method, whether that be debit or credit card, mobile app, wire transfer, gift card, cash reload card, or even cryptocurrency. Promptly reach out to the payment company. Then request a transaction reversal. Ask the company to reverse the transaction if at all possible. And of course, report fraud. Inform the company about the scam if it's a copycat scam, and report the fraudulent activity. These are some places where you can report a scam: Better Business Bureau, Federal Trade Commission, and the Internet Crime Complaint Center. Here's how to contact us if you have any questions or if we can be of assistance with your career exploration, application materials, or job search.